All right.
A lot of money to be made today, but it kind of scares me. Fucking scares me.
We are live.
Oh, shit. Well, that's sexy.
So don't say anything that you wouldn't want your mom to hear.
I love that my parents don't mind if I smoke weed anymore.
Well, it doesn't matter, Dave, because you're in your 30s, and if your parents minded, you should get new parents.
Well, no, not just, like when I'm at their house.
Do you smoke
Just,
in their house or outside their house?
Oh, outside their house. I would never smoke in the house.
I go back to my previous statement. I smoke weed outside my mom's apartment, and I'm always like, why can't I just do it in here? This place is garbage.
Well, you know how we were raised. Much different than it is out here.
We lit. What up, Travis? Good to see ya. Travis, I tried messaging
shit.
you on Discord earlier to get you set up for calling in today, so hopefully we can get that going. Since you're already here, I'll just give you... We're probably going to do like 15, 20 minutes of the show, and then we'll take Travis in to kind of like close it out.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Whew. Dude, this Venom cake batter is so good. It's delicious.
That was the one today. I'm finding out by Venom today, too. They're going to be at the CC3 also.
Oh, man, I love Venom.
Yeah.
I feel like Venom people used to like talk shit about it because like it's cheap, and it's like, dude, they have an entire concentrate line. Like, there's 6 varieties. They're all $25 a gram at jars. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
Yeah, big fan.
All right, you ready to hear this song?
I am ready to start this shit.
Kick
Another
it.
big day today. Big days. Big days ahead. Oh.
Yeah.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Oh, hello there, you beautiful stoners. Welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
It is May 7th, 2021, and we are here to deliver some stock news and get high. Thank you, Mad Terp Labs, Green Farms. We get high from you every single day. These Terp sticks last about 20 minutes. We feel fantastic. Go get one at Mesa, Flagstaff, Arizona. Brian, who else do we got for a sponsor?
We got Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them, we love them. Featured on Yahoo Business. Ooh, baby. Great catch. It is an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. You use it with TradingView.com. It gives you very clear buy and short signals so that you can have the confidence to make good trades. At least help time them out. Check it out. Use the link in the description. You get a discount. We get some cash money. It's swell.
Oh, killing it as always, Brian. And thank you for Twan Murder. And please like, subscribe, and join our Discord, everybody. Do it.
Do it.
Do it. All right, Brian. What terp stick you have today, by the way?
Oh, I pulled the orange apricot. I say apricot terp stick. I don't know if people say apricot. I think that you're silly if you do.
You know, I was actually thinking about that in my head. I'm going to say apricot. I'm going to see like what fucking Brian has to say in response to that. I knew you were going to say something. Yeah, but I got the same thing. I need a nice light-headed feel. Need some energy. So let's get into it.
Hey, let's just remember, friends, you know, if you're looking at these terp sticks, Dave tells you, I'm going to reiterate, don't just light these and start taking a puff. Let it burn a second. Let it torch down. It's got to like look at my fan's going. This is not lighting. There we go.
Oh, your house is the worst to light a joint.
Yeah, and your house is the worst to live in. It's
how dare you?
It is. It's the only.
Said that. How dare you? My house is fucking amazing, and I was only making a joke because you got these gigantic.
Yeah, the turbine fans. I was gonna say yours is mine is too windy, and yours is the only second floor apartment that's pitch black all day. It's ridiculous. You live in a 2-story high cave.
It is a fucking nice apartment. It
is a very nice apartment.
It is very nice. I'm sorry that it is usually darker with some nice fluorescent lights. Don't fucking judge.
Hilarious.
This light is white all around me right now. You don't see anything. It's bright in my place right now.
All right.
How dare you, Brian?
Senor, Travis is not going to be calling in today. He's feeling a little bit under the weather, so we will schedule him in for next week.
That's cool.
Yeah, you get into anything yesterday? After we hung out for a bit, that was pretty cool.
Bryson came over. Our tattoo artist, my tattoo artist.
Bryson knows Scott Dinsdale, which is so funny, aka the cowboy. Have you ever seen him? He's been on like ESPN a couple times.
Because he cowboy?
Yeah, he like dresses up as a cowboy and goes to I think the Diamondbacks games, and they always end up getting him on camera. He's like known.
Like the American flag bathing suit in the guitar?
No, he dresses like a leather cowboy. Well, I mean like cowboy hat, maybe like jean jacket. He wears like a bolo tie.
I have no idea who that is.
It's funny.
What you said they have a mutual friend?
Well, he knows Bryson. That was the guy that hit you up about being on Concentrated Comedy.
I thought it was some guy named like Ross or something.
I just said that. His name's Ross Dinsdale.
Oh. That's funny. I didn't even bring that up when I saw him yesterday.
Bryson?
But, yeah, he's like, oh, somebody canceled. Would you like to come in tomorrow? And I'm like, yes, sir, I will. So at 2 o'clock, I will be getting another tattoo session to hopefully finish off my leg piece. Which, wow, was that fucking painful. A lot of time and a lot of money. But it was worth every fucking penny.
Dude, the front, the shin part of your leg, it hurts like a real motherfucker.
Oh, so bad. I don't know what hurt more, like the bottom of my shin or like the top of my fucking foot.
I've heard the top of your foot feels really bad. I don't have anything there.
Yeah, today is going to be another AWI session.
Yeah.
It's called an AWI session.
Yeah, years ago, when I got my shin tattooed, I went in there and I was like, I've got a few tattoos, you know, I'm used to it. He started doing it, and like a half an hour in, I was just sitting there like gripping the side of the chair and just like sweating. And he was like, are you okay? And I'm like, you just have to keep going. You know, like, I'm gonna be fine. There was a point, I almost passed out at one point. I was like, I gotta take a lap. And thankfully, I got it done in New Hampshire, and like, I was sweating like a motherfucker, but it was like October. So I went outside, and it was freezing out. And that woke me right up. That was nice. And then I was able to like finish it out. But it was just like 3 hours of fucking pain. It was awful.
You need to go through it too. If you want to get a tattoo, I feel like you have to go through the pain.
You gotta earn it. It can't be
you
easy.
gotta earn it. That's my philosophy.
But honestly, I would get it like numbed out. My shin. Like, I've already done it once. You know what I mean? Like I went through the pain one time. Just throw some like fucking Novocaine or whatever the hell it is that they put on it. Just like numb it a bit.
Yeah, it's called lidocaine, and apparently it does not work for half gingers like me.
Why?
Yeah, it has something to do with like the metabolism in my skin. It just absorbs the lidocaine faster, and it doesn't work. I guess it's a thing with gingers. I didn't know. Bryson again was the one that told me that.
Wow.
Yeah,
what a
Bryson,
shit
Bryson
superpower.
13, go check out his work, y'all. Good shit. This is who I trust to write draw on my body. So
that's the worst superpower I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah, it's a thing. And then I brought it up to the plastic surgeon when I got this fucking thing cut out of me, and he verified that comment.
Yeah, because you said you had to get more, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, they were like, I felt them ripping something out of my body, like I was a fucking gazelle being ripped apart by a tiger, and this ripping out. I'm like, they're like, you feel that? I'm like, yeah, I feel that. And they were like, oh shit, hold on. And then they told me next time that they would have to put me out for if it was a bigger procedure.
Jesus.
Yeah, bro, that's up.
Fuck it, that is fucked up.
Fucked up. So that's a true thing. So that doesn't work for me. So going back to the original story, I can't put lidocaine for tattoos.
Wow.
Yep. All right, Brian, let's get into stock. Yeah, this is a stock fucking podcast, bro.
This is a stock podcast for the most part.
And coming very crypto-y as of late, too.
Well, yeah, I mean, it goes through cycles.
It does go through cycles. So what's up? How does the morning look?
The morning is I mean, shit. You know, my stocks are telling me that they're green, and they are. comparatively. It's one of those days where, like, sure, it's a green day, but everything's been falling for a week again. So it's like, what's green this week was red last week. So, yeah, I mean, if you look at the stock market, though, like, if you scroll through your watch list, let me pop over here. It's almost all green. Like, everything's green today. It's not, like, crazy green, and also, if you've been holding, you're probably down.
Yeah. But, like, also don't forget that it's a Friday, so I feel like whenever it's a green morning on a Friday, you are going to be very fucking disappointed when closing bell comes.
Yeah, let me tell you what's going to happen today. Green morning, brown afternoon, red day, red night, and then I'm telling, like, 1:03 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, you're going to see DOGE start to go up.
I fucking hope so. I hope so.
Every Friday, as soon as the market closes, maybe it waits until, like, after hours. Maybe. But as soon as people take their money out, DOGE starts moving. It's not, like, it's not usually spikes, but it's like, here it comes. It's the weekend of DOGE. And Elon Musk is going to be on fucking SNL tomorrow, probably talking about DOGE at some point.
Oh, they're having a skit.
Yeah.
They have a DOGE skit.
Yeah. Watch.
I don't know.
Oh, wow, man.
So Musk actually came out with an article this morning saying, I fully believe in crypto, but watch your shit. So I don't know. Do you think it's going to hit $1 tomorrow?
No.
I don't
Maybe
think so.
Sunday. Maybe Sunday. I think you can have, like, the DOGE frenzy has not set in fully. Like, it's wild. Don't get me wrong, right? But, like, think of GameStop. It was wild, and then literally everybody started talking about it, and then it went insane, and then it cooled off after that. Like, there are still plenty of new people that don't know what DOGE is, and there are a lot of people that watch Saturday Night Live. I think that could kick off the next round of, like, and put it into actual DOGE frenzy, and then you'll see it go over. That's my outlook.
So go on. I'm on the hour view, and so if you look back at, I don't know, the middle of April, that how it kind of had I feel the small gap for a couple days. Now look where it is again. I feel like it's going to be another gigantic swing. It might drop down just a little bit more, but I think it could potentially go to a fucking $1, mid-90s.
Yeah, maybe. It's wild.
I feel like that could be a nice swing up. I can easily see that.
Man, it was steady for a long time. Like, it was just, like, steady around, like, 3 to 5 cents for months. I didn't realize that.
But also that we realize that whenever it does run, it runs for days.
Oh, runs for days. Days. Generally.
Yeah, so, like, it ran from, April 22nd to May 4th. That's 2 fucking weeks. But yeah, I think I hope it fucking hits $1. I'll be fucking ecstatic that I could buy some plane tickets and maybe we can go on vacation. But yeah, fucking crypto. I'm in it. Like I keep saying, I'm just fully in crypto now. And your XLM baby, 64 cents.
Yeah, dude, it has not broken 70 yet.
What's the latest?
It was so close yesterday. It bounced off 69 again yesterday 2 times. Okay, so look, this is just a matter of time. It's tested 70 3 times now in, like, less than a month. April 13th it hit 69, and then it kind of shit the bed after that, right? But
that's good.
But then you look at this, it hit 69, it went down, it went right back up, it hit 69 again, it went down. I think we're about to see a break here. I think, like, it's testing and it's about to push through, which is just, I'm telling you, it's going to be huge. That's fucking crazy.
Yep, I agree. I'm thinking about, like, I should have cashed out of my Ethereum Classic when it was at fucking $170. It's at $127 right now. And I'm thinking about switching it to XLM at some point this weekend. Because that does look fucking good. What do you think? Who are you talking to?
It's a job. I'm sorry. I got a job at 11, and she's like blowing me up right now, and it's just like I really don't want to have to deal with this. But you're here. I'm sorry. It's very rude of me. I know you should be yelling at me. It's for money.
Dare you. All right, fine. We'll skip your little crypto talk.
No. I'm in. I'm telling. I messaged the lady. We're done. You berate me. I accept it. I accept my fate here. Did you buy any XLM?
No, not yet. But since I still have my 4 Ethereum Classics, which I will probably transfer to XRP at one point because this does look fucking good.
Not XRP, which I want to talk about. XLM.
Well, XLM. That's what I meant.
I have like I had like $20 or $30 in Bitcoin, and I swapped it over to Ethereum Classic yesterday when it was at. I made like $1. You know, it's like I didn't get it at a high, obviously, because it like peaked and then went down. But I think I picked some up at like 137 or some shit like that.
That's good.
Yeah, I have like 0.2. It's nothing crazy.
Well, Ethereum, it's kind of wild that it's still so low. And if you think about it, what it was last week, it was like $30 last week.
Yeah,
bro, it was $30 April 30th.
It's ETC, right?
Yeah, ETC.
ETC USD.
And then
so I think I'm down a little bit. It's at 128.
Yeah, it's fluctuating like a bitch though. But 137 is fine. Just hold it for like a week.
Yeah,
look at that fucking run.
Again, I bought $20 worth of it. I'm not too worried.
Why wouldn't you just put more $20 into the XLM?
What?
Why wouldn't you just put $20 more into XLM?
I have plenty of XLM. I wanted to try something new. I just had Bitcoin sitting there in my Coinbase account. I was like, well, I'll buy some ETC, see how it does.
All right.
What if it fucking 10 times? What if it goes to $3,000 like Ethereum?
Usually when we find something that we like, we both have something in common. We're like, hey, this might actually turn out into something if you fucking hold it. If we hold it, I think we're going to be successful. I think we'll make up.
Yeah. I'm trying to diversify my crypto portfolio a little bit. I have Bitcoin and I have XLM, and I'm holding a bag on new, and then the ETC. I was like, all right, cool. If that doesn't work out, I'll get some Ethereum.
Yeah.
Oh, I also have that. What is it? Yield coin that Mark got me into.
Yield coin. I don't know. Why don't you have not spoken about that one?
It's like I don't even think it's on. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to find it on TradingView. But okay. It's a service similar to Celsius, and I bought the coins for it. It was like I bought $100 worth, and then like I looked at it 2 days later, it was worth $50, and I was like, shit, I should buy more. I should have waited, and then B, I should buy more. And then like a month after that, I looked at it, that $100 was $500. I was like, fuck, I definitely should have bought more. And right now it's around like, it goes between like 300 and 380, but I'm still up 3 times on it, is the point.
Good. Do you have any more crypto news for today?
Yeah, XRP. Do you remember fucking Ripple? $1.60.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I remember when it was what?
It was like 25 cents after it got delisted from Coinbase.
Yeah.
I haven't looked at it in forever. Like in April, it was, or March, it was like below 50 cents, April 50 cents, and then out of nowhere it's just like, later boys, I'm fucking running.
Not sure if you heard this or not, but there was a bunch of hackers that would hack into people's YouTube accounts and then just set up like live Ripple accounts. So like they were just trading live on somebody random YouTube's account.
I did not hear that.
Yeah, it's probably on Reddit. They were talking about it on Trading Fraternity yesterday that these people were hijacking or hacking into YouTube accounts and just having live Ripple trading.
That's fucking wild.
Yeah, and it's cheap, so kids are probably like, "Oh yeah, let's do it." They suck at so many kids. Oh, yeah,
that's pretty crazy. I didn't hear anything about that.
Mm-hmm. That was yesterday.
Into the stonks?
Yeah, into the stunk. So I got nothing else about crypto besides it's all fucking up.
There's a lot of crypto. We went months without like anything interesting happening in crypto, and now it's happening. So it's nice.
Yeah, at least we're catching it. At least we're seeing it. Like I didn't have my trust in crypto. Now I do. So now I'm more likely to hit on something.
I really wish you would
Yeah,
stop
that's
saying that. You're gonna end up
I know.
ruining it for all of us, Dave. I put my full faith and trust of the United States of Dave into cryptocurrency. Let's watch it burn, baby. You are the signal of a bear. You're like the herald of a bear market.
No. All right, let's get into the stocks. There is a bunch of shit up. So I did mix it up a little bit. So instead of some morning stories, because there really wasn't that much going on, I was like, hey, let's look at the fucking watch list and see why all this shit is up 10%. So that is what we fucking did. Brian, do you want to do the first one? The FNKO?
Yeah, FNKO, FNKO, makers of vinyl pop figurines that really signify that you're a fucking dork. They, let's see, FNKO Play reports blowout earnings amid crypto virtual event boom. Yeah, so if you did not know, FNKO has been running for a little bit because of their decision to get into the NFT game, and for some reason their earnings went well. Like many other people, they blew out. They reported blowout earnings, but for some reason they pop from it. So good for you, FNKO.
They killed it.
It's up $4.
Yep. FNKO is the ticker. Yeah, look at that fucking spike since this morning.
Yep.
Boop. Hasn't came down at all.
FNKO, like, if you... Basically, as long as you did not buy FNKO on April 9th, you have 100% made money if you've bought it any time in the last year. It's just been on a straight line up. It never goes down. It's crazy.
It's at an all-time high.
Yep.
All-time high. So that's a fun one to watch today because who knows what's going to happen with that one.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what about Zillow? Stock ticker Z. Very fucking simple. Z. Zillow stock rises 4% as real estate company sees continued strength in housing. Traffic to Zillow's app and website rose 15% to 221 million average monthly users, driving 2.5 billion visits during last quarter.
That's
wow.
Yeah, wow. Also,
wow.
I mean, Zillow, Jesus Christ. One of the meanest Head and Shoulders I've seen in a graph ever.
I was just about to fucking say that. Do you think it's going to drop down to like mid-80s, or do you think this is the bottom?
No, it looks like it's going down.
Yeah, I think so too. Mid-80s? Yeah.
Yeah, it had its... Look at this. It had such a nice run. I'm just going back. I'm like back in 2020... It didn't even, like, it tanked quite a bit in March, and then it went on a fucking run. I mean, like, COVID, it was at $20. It's now at $120, so that's quite nice. But yeah, that Head and Shoulders right in the middle, it's just like, hey, baby, I'm gonna make some bag holders today. And it did.
Oh, imagine being a bag holder at Zillow at 205.
You could, I mean, is it out of the realm of possibility that this is going back down to $60? Like... You gotta think, the housing market, like, pre-COVID, it was at $60, you know? In February 2020, it was at 67, and then COVID happened and it dropped down to 24. Okay, there's been both like an astronomical rise in the housing market, and then also all this like stimulus shit, and you know, the great reshuffling, as Yahoo said. So the housing market's like in a bubble. We knew this is known. So did we see the peak in February 21, and is this going back to pre-COVID levels? That'll be really, really interesting to watch.
No, if we're talking Head and Shoulders, I think it will drop down to $85, because if it doesn't stop there, bro, you're talking 20. Where's the support level? You know?
Yeah, where I mean this I would say the support levels at
22?
22
and 85?
Holy shit. It's like $30.
Yeah, so it went from 21 to fucking 112 in 3 months, 4 months. Wow. And well, everybody is buying housing, especially in Arizona. It's fucking hard to buy a house. Everything's double the price right now. Stupid.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, honestly, like, I just went back a couple of years, dragged it back. Looked like $35, $40 has been support for a long time. And then it went through this run here. Oh, look at the look at the 5 year.
I don't know. It is up though today. It is up, so 5%.
Oh,
So who fucking knows? I hope it goes up, so maybe we can kind of catch it. So, but if it does, kind of go back up to that $145, $150 range, then we know what's up, and we should probably keep an eye on it.
yeah.
So Zillow, if it hits 150, keep an eye. If it's dropping a little bit more, maybe 80 might be a good buy entry. But Zillow up today. What about the next one, Brian?
You love this one. SNCY, Sun Country Airlines.
I really do.
I really do.
I really do. It's something that we can follow that was cheap, that was just listed not that long ago. And I'm like, all right, I remember when this fucking dropped. I remember what it did in the first month.
Yeah.
You know?
Sun Country Airlines has turned a first quarter profit. Wow. That's something that Lyft and Uber have never done. With passenger revenues down, the key to Sun Country's success has come from its diversified business model. Touching scheduled passenger service, charters, and a cargo deal with Amazon, that's the moneymaker. The airline is looking forward to a very successful summer with 3 strong revenue streams. I read this, you know what I hear? Sun Country Airlines summer. Forget white boy summer. Forget hot girl summer. Sun Country Airlines summer.
Yeah, because if you invested at the beginning when it fucking dropped, you have made money.
Yep.
Look at it.
Yep.
This is great. That's good PR. That's good shit, and it's cheap. It's cheaper than Southwest. Actually, the others are at $20. I don't know the market caps. United is at 55. Market cap of 17.6 bill. Woo. So Sun Country valuation is 2.3 billion.
Yeah, it's 1/10 of Southwest Airlines, which is LUV.
Yep. Ooh, 36.5 bill. Whopping.
Good for Sun Country. Yeah, I gotta imagine they're making quite a penny on that Amazon deal.
Oh, fuck, this is hitting this hard. Fun fact, I am hitting Purple Punch Live Sugar Diamonds. I showed the screen earlier, and I think some fucking fell out, so I'm not going to do it again.
Yeah.
Shit. Fire.
I don't know if you heard when we were starting the show, but I picked up this cake batter from Venom. It's delicious.
Yeah.
It's very
Yeah, we
tasty.
smoked some of that yesterday.
What's
You
that?
fucking stoner. We smoked some yesterday.
Yeah, you and I did.
Yeah, I know. Next one, cannabis related. Did you know that TLRY and was it Afria, the merger was this week?
Yeah, closed this week, huh? That's I mean, talk about a power player.
So Jeffries, I need to know more about Jeffries. This is like the third time I've read about Jeffries this week, so they have to have something to do with target pricing. So Jeffries upgrades TLRY to buy, says pot stock can soar more than 60%. The merger between cannabis companies Afria and TLRY officially closed this week, and the resulting company is set up to be a major player in multiple countries as legal weed gains stream, according to Jeffries.
Yeah.
That's big.
It is big.
That's big.
I think I own so we go over this every time. I own the MJ ETF, and yeah, I'd say it's reacting to the news. For sure. Cuz I think it has it's made up of like Afria and TLRY mostly.
Oh yeah, man, it was in the fucking mid-13s this morning. Now it's at pushing 17. Oh, what a day. Hey, maybe technical analysis is coming back.
Huh.
Oh shit.
Maybe.
Oh shit. Is the GameStop era over? Who fucking knows?
It'll never be over.
Brian, I know you have the next one. but I just could not find any news on it.
It's hilarious because if we were alternating, I would have had TLRY, but you just got so excited.
You know, it was honestly, it was just by the article that came up or the watch list. As you can tell, it was mostly alphabetical order.
Yeah.
Yo, shut the. And then
I like this one. Nicola earnings.
Oh, I was trying to find out why it's up 13%. Why is it up 13%? And I was trying to find out why, and I could not find out why.
I saw a YouTube video about Nicola recently. I didn't watch it, but it was a picture of Trevor and like a dumpster fire. That was the thumbnail.
Oh, for like the
the thumbnail for the video.
Trailer Park Boys, Trevor?
No, like Trevor Milton, the ex-CEO.
Oh,
it was like him, it was him like this posing, and then just like a burning dumpster fire behind him. Nicholas just garbage, you know.
Yeah, but somehow they're fucking up 13%. And the last for the greens today was PLBY, because PLBY does not fucking stop. I actually had PLBY in the red at the beginning of the show, and then I realized it just fucking rocketed now it's in the green. PLBY. I just watch it every day. It just goes up 10% every fucking day. It's up 5% right now after being down all morning.
Yeah.
But it did fall hard 62 to 45. Oof.
And it fell 62 to 45 after running fucking $50 in a month.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Excuse me, sorry.
Ooh.
If you're following the trading algorithm, if you look here, you can see that the algo is actually signaling a reversal in trend right here. That's usually what these candlesticks mean. So, like you can see right here, these red outline green candlesticks signaled that it was about to go to the sell. Looks like we're going to see this go back into the buy if the algorithm's right. This is like a good time to buy, possibly. This is not financial advice, but like it does look as though this is going to go back up.
You know what? Let's actually take a look at some fucking options real quick as we're live.
You should not do that.
You don't think I should look at the PLBY option? I'm not going to say that I'm doing it. I would have to sell something first. But
let's see. PLBY options are expensive.
Are they?
Yeah.
It has been red for the last day and a half, so out of anything, it might be a good time to buy it now. So
yeah,
if anything, I would look at June 18th, if anything, right?
Okay, June 18.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, see, they're not cheap.
Well, but this should just give us the insurance that this stock is still fucking going up. They expect this stock to go up.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, so maybe, do you want...
Yeah,
it would have been nice to get like 100 shares for $1,000 last month.
Yeah, right.
You know, fuck. Would have been a nice fucking. All right. All right. What else we got? So that's all the green. Now we're going into the red.
The red.
Which is kind of a good thing because if you're a scalper or like to buy or do like a nice little swing trade, you know, this could be the best part of the fucking show.
Sure.
But first one, OCGN.
OCGN. Man, what a ride. Yeah. People, OCGN, Oxygen stock is a risky proposition. They're all risky. And the reason is, like, people keep talking about it being a vaccine play. They're not a vaccine manufacturer. They create gene therapies for eye diseases, but they have a deal with Bharat Pharmaceuticals to be the distributor of their COVID vaccine in the United States. That's why it's a vaccine play.
All right, so what do you have it on the 1 hour view?
I do.
It's still in the sell right now.
But look at those reversal indicators there.
It did curl up real nice. If I had one, maybe two more candles going up, I would be like, okay, this is a strong candidate to possibly get into.
Yeah. Well, if you're looking at the bands right below it, you know, it like just crossed from oversold. It's like just oversold. So yeah. I think you'll see it run up a bit again, I think.
All right. It was that one. What about Uber and Lyft. I like how you made. Did you see how they were on there when you made that joke?
I didn't.
So you were right, spot on. You're like the fucking Simpsons. Uber and Lyft dipped after earnings. Let's look at Uber and Lyft real quick.
Uber is at 47.31. It is down. Yeah, for sure.
It is down.
Yeah, May 5th, it was at 55. So their earnings were shit and they went down. That's how life should be. Lyft, almost the exact same thing.
Yep. I lost a lot of money on some options by these motherfuckers.
Why?
Beginning of the year.
Oh, jeez. You're
Yeah, at the beginning.
what a goon.
I know. But yeah. Did not fucking meet expectations. They both sank. So, like I said, if you're a scalper, might be a good time to gain a little bit of profit while everyone's choking to death.
Yeah. Yeah, if you look at the history of the ticker, it kind of every time it goes on these swings, it does swing up a little bit more, and then it takes like these fucking it's not looking good right. I would not buy Lyft right now. Not at all.
Nope, not yet. You need to see at least some green candles before you make your final decision. Don't like, oh hey, this is like the perfect time to fucking get in. There's no perfect time. Don't fucking do it. Just wait till you see some green candles.
Yeah.
Next one, Skills SKLZ, Brian.
Skills post larger than feared quarterly loss. Interesting. Yeah, dude, this stock took a shit. It has been taking it's been taking a shit like an Elvis sized shit. It died on the toilet. It's just like
It fucking did. Dude, they have a partnership with the NFL though.
Uh-huh.
They have a strong partnership with the NFL.
Yeah, what are they doing with it?
I'm not even sure. It's going to be something with e-gaming / betting,
Yeah. Yeah, they're just not.
like Madden tournaments and shit.
This Head and Shoulders is massive. You see the shit?
Well, yeah, well, it's below the fucking shoulder. You're talking lopsided.
Oh yeah, I know. It broke through. It's just like massive Head and Shoulders over there, and then it was just like we're not doing that great.
It's fucking low right now. It's low. I don't know. This might seem like a good buying point because I know this is going to come up, especially during the fucking fall season. All right, there's a fucking idea. Skills pretty much heavily in the NFL. It's not football season, so maybe we should keep an eye on it. Maybe get it in at the end of June, July. Oh, maybe June because they're going to start talking about football in July. Interesting.
Yeah. In the garbage.
Well, just keep an eye on it for like when football season comes up because it could make money.
Sure.
And what about Wish? WISH.
Wish.com?
Yeah, dude, it's fucking cheap.
It is cheap.
Same thing with look at Skills. It's the exact same fucking thing with that lopsided head and shoulders.
It's only been trading since December 2020?
Yeah.
Wow.
Been following this shit because it's cheap.
It's cheap.
So we can kind of see when something has good earnings, and then we can hop on that trade when we get our fucking my day trades back.
I think Wish has put. I don't know. It's just like such trash. Like if flea markets were still big, Wish would soar, because like that's who would sell their shit. Every time Bill gets, he's like, I got this off Wish.com, and I'm like, what is it? And it's just like, it's like a thing. It's just like for people that need knickknacks or cheap rubber fuck suits. That's all that gets pitched at me on Wish, and they only advertise through Facebook. So like. They're going like the QVC crowd / the right wingers, and they're from China. They just don't know they're advertising yet.
How are they publicly traded?
I don't know.
Wow. And it's above $10. Just.
Yeah, for how long?
I know. Blows my mind, but yeah. So that's what is red and green in our fucking watch list today, everybody. Hope everybody enjoyed that shit.
Good stuff.
Did you like that? Did you like the flow of the show? Did you like how we did that today?
Loved it.
You're just saying that to shut me up.
No, I loved it. It was great.
Yeah, cool. I like that better too. It was nice.
Okay.
CC3 news. Flyer should be out next Tuesday. Free passes are up on the website, trapcultureaz.com. Check us out on Instagram, concentrated comedy. Am I missing anything? It's free. Fucking 18 if you have a card, 21 for recreational. Headliner announcement soon. come smoke weed and eat and laugh.
Can't wait to confirm the headliner. We have the support acts all lined up. Everything. We're just waiting on the headliner. Very, very much looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be a great show. I think it's gonna be a fantastic event.
It's gonna keep getting bigger and bigger too, Brian.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna be performing in front of 5,000 or 10,000 people. Imagine that.
Fantastic. 5,000 or 10,000 stoned ass people. So you're performing on a delay to a massive crowd. It'd be amazing.
Yeah. Our projections for CanaFest is gonna try to hit 10K.
Try to hit 10K. That's wild.
I know. It's gonna be like the giant parking lot and the event section. That's gonna be wild.
Wild.
But yeah. All right. Hope everybody enjoyed the show. Join our fucking Discord. Smoke weed with us, and hopefully made some money.
Yeah.
But do not take advice from us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. We will see you. No. Check out Concentrated Comedy 3. That's really it for now.
Yeah, buddy.
All right.
All right. We will talk to y'all later.
Peace.
Peace.
Where's my pop out? Hey, there you are. All right. Ooh, I gotta pee.
All right, I got a little bit of work to do, then I'm gonna get catted, kid. Keep me updated.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try